doesn't happen once on your bike tour in Japan, then it's not a real tour. Roads are constantly closed randomly, so yeah, I'll take a little detour around this part of the route and then hopefully get back on the bike path. Here we go. Almost 7 p.m. and I'm gonna probably set up camp right here. It's been raining a little bit for the last hour or so, but this looks not so bad. I don't think it's gonna flood even if it rains all night. So yeah, should be a comfy piece of dirt to sleep on. Oh boy. Oh, that's the best feeling, just getting out of your shoes at the end of the day. Okay. Get my thermarest ready, and I'm gonna get some sleep. Well, sleeping bag completely soaked. Realized my rain tarp on my tent had been blown off and it was raining. Yeah, which means like there was probably like half an inch of water that my thermarest was floating in. So I was able to make a decision to either sleep in the wet or to keep moving. So I decided to keep moving. Took like 20 minutes to put everything in because my hands were freezing cold, and so yeah, I got everything back into their tiny little bags, and then yeah, once I started moving, started warming up. Actually, the rain has stopped since I started moving, so I'm feeling pretty lucky about that. It's like midnight right now. I wasn't expecting to do an overnighter, but it's looking that way at this point. So yeah, I'm gonna try to orient myself a little bit, make sure I'm not going in the wrong direction. And then we'll start heading towards the ocean. Maybe get there right at dawn. Catch sunrise. That would be a nice little happy ending to a really rough start for the morning. So yeah, I'm a little exhausted. I was hoping to get something from this vending machine, but all my bills are wet and the machine won't accept wet bills. So yeah, remember to bring coins next time. Yeah, okay. Yeah, a bit of a unexpectedly rough morning, but we'll get through it. Wait. fish guts everywhere. Day 3, here we go. See that ahead? That is Azuma, which means I'm basically home. Probably only like 2 or 3 kilometers to go. It's been quite the adventure. Probably get back, take a shower, get some lunch, and maybe just nap for the rest of the day. Just sleep till tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I always end these very, very awkwardly, but hope you guys have a great one. Get out on some great bike rides this spring, and I'll see you on the next bike trip. Bye bye!